Welcome to this explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. So, did you know that the average business wastes over 20 hours a week just on manual data entry and repetitive communication? It's literally staggering. But imagine, for just a second, running your operations with half that workload, but somehow getting twice the results. Well, the truth is, thousands of businesses are already using artificial intelligence to reclaim hundreds of hours every single month, while others are kind of still grinding away manually. In today's explainer, we're going to reveal the 10 best AI tools every business should know in 2026. Whether you're a startup founder, a freelancer, or a CEO, these tools are going to help you work way smarter, cut costs, and stay completely ahead of the curve.
Okay, let's dive into this. Look at this stark contrast here. On the left, we've got the traditional business model. You know, the old way of doing things. Heavy manual workloads and just countless hours drained by highly repetitive tasks. Honestly, it's exhausting just thinking about it. But over on the right, we see the 2026 business reality. Half the workload, twice the results. We're moving away from this paradigm of manual struggle straight into a reality of instantaneous results delivered by AI. It is a fundamental shift in how we actually spend our working hours.
Section 1. Building your AI foundation. Essential tools for everyday workflows.
Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we've got Grammarly AI. Now, we all know every single business sends emails, proposals, and reports, right? But Grammarly AI doesn't just fix your typos anymore. It's evolved into something way more powerful. It actually instantly rewrites sentences and improves your tone. So that frustrated 2 a.m. draft you wrote, it sounds like a polished, diplomatic executive summary by the time you hit send at 8 a.m. Whether you're talking to high-stakes clients or just firing off quick internal updates, this tool polishes your professional communication in literal seconds.
Moving right along to number 9, we have Canva AI. Think about this for a second. Professional graphic design used to require really expensive software and literally years of experience to master. Today, that barrier is completely gone. Canva AI lets you type a simple sentence and instantly generate a fully formatted presentation, a social media campaign, or even branding assets. It completely bypasses the need for a massive design budget. It really levels the playing field, letting small teams output top-tier graphics instantly without needing to hire a full-time designer.
Coming in at number 8 is Notion AI. You can basically think of Notion AI as your company's digital brain. Running a business naturally means managing a whirlwind of meetings, projects, and ideas, right? Well, this tool puts an end to the absolute chaos of searching through dozens of disconnected tabs and folders. It instantly summarizes meeting notes and automatically extracts action items before the call is even over. It centralizes your workspace, keeping your entire team's workflow totally synchronized and instantly accessible in one single place.
And this brilliantly illustrates our number 7 pick, Perplexity AI. Since business decisions depend entirely on accurate data, Perplexity acts as a live AI-powered research assistant. Instead of sifting through 10 pages of SEO-bloated articles just to find a single statistic, you can ask for a competitor's pricing model or a specific market trend and get a direct, fully cited answer in milliseconds. It's an absolute game-changer for instant sourced market and competitor analysis.
Creative and analytical powerhouses, accelerating content and data processing.
At number 6, we step into the visual realm with Midjourney. We all know for sure that visual content drives online engagement. But instead of waiting 2 weeks and paying a premium for just 3 concept designs, your marketing team can generate and tweak 50 distinct branding visuals in a single afternoon. From professional illustrations to product mock-ups, Midjourney lets you rapidly iterate on creative ideas instantly, making it just a massive asset for modern branding and visual identity.
Number 5 takes us into the world of audio with ElevenLabs. High-quality voiceovers are absolutely essential right now for things like training materials, podcasts, and digital advertisements. ElevenLabs has mastered this space so thoroughly that it doesn't just clone voices. It perfectly replicates natural human pauses, intonations, and even subtle breath sounds. This ensures your audio never feels robotic. It produces incredibly realistic voiceovers in multiple languages, making your global customer education and marketing campaigns sound perfectly human.
Landing at number 4 is Claude AI. Claude AI is your absolute go-to for the heavy lifting. When your business is dealing with massive amounts of complex information, this is the ultimate tool. I mean, it can read a dense 100-page legal contract in seconds, automatically surfacing the 3 hidden clauses that could actually impact your business. From drafting professional reports to answering highly detailed questions about extensive research papers, it acts as a high-level research assistant, processing data at a speed no human ever could.
And now, we reach the top 3 assistants, comprehensive, all-in-one ecosystems.
Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Google Gemini. The real beauty of Gemini is that you don't even have to open a new app. It lives natively inside the Google workspace you probably already use, quietly summarizing documents and analyzing spreadsheets right where you're already working. It handles drafting your emails and automating tasks directly within Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive, completely seamlessly boosting your daily productivity without missing a beat. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is our number 2 pick, ChatGPT. The sheer versatility you see here is unmatched. It's essentially a shapeshifter, you know? 1 minute it's writing marketing copy, and the very next it's debugging complex code or brainstorming your next product launch. Businesses of all sizes rely on it to draft emails, generate fresh business ideas, build customer support responses, and even analyze complex information. Its flexibility makes it an absolute powerhouse that can mold itself to almost any business need you could possibly imagine.
And finally, at the very top of our list, the number 1 spot goes to Microsoft Copilot. For organizations running on Microsoft, Copilot is the ultimate ecosystem cheat code. It automates everyday business workflows directly inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It can instantly turn a messy Word document into a fully formatted PowerPoint presentation or analyze a dense financial spreadsheet in seconds, literally giving you back hours of your week without ever leaving the Microsoft 365 environment. It is a true game changer.
Which brings us to our final section, the future of work, integrating AI into your business effectively. The companies that learn to use AI effectively won't replace people, but they'll often outperform businesses that ignore it. That is the core takeaway today. Artificial intelligence is no longer just some distant experimental technology reserved for massive multinational corporations. Not at all. Today, startups, freelancers, and small businesses have full access to these incredible capabilities. And you know, the key to evolving isn't to overhaul your entire company overnight, it's to start small. Just pick one tool from this list tomorrow, integrate it into your daily workflow, and just see what happens.
So, I want to leave you with this thought. If your biggest competitor adopted just 3 of these tools tomorrow, how far behind would your business be by next week? Which tool do you need to integrate first to stay ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. Keep learning, stay focused, and I will see you next time.